Please subscribe the programming packs and press the bell icon button for more videos. In this video, we will see how to connect Python with MySQL database. Okay, so currently I'm on my blogging page where you can go and check how to connect Python with MySQL database. Okay, here I have written step to step. Right, like you can see how to download. First, we need to download MySQL on your computer system. Okay, then we need to run a command for install MySQL connector, and then we will test that MySQL connector is done on our Eclipse, on our PyCharm or Jupyter, or on Python shell, right? So I can perform all these steps in video as well, so you'll got to understand like how we connect the Python with our MySQL database. Okay, so first to above video I will above a link as well, right? So first we will go to our command prompt. Okay, command prompt. Okay, and here I'll go where my Python installation is done, right? So cd app data. Okay, so like here for this version I need to go app data slash local cd programs slash python cd python 36. Okay, and here I will run this command python minus pip connector. Okay, and it will install MySQL connector on, right. So it's showing it successfully installed, right? So now we will see how to check it, right? There are two ways. I either I can go to my PyCharm or I can go to uh, Python shell. Okay, so first I'll go to my Python shell. I'll write uh, Python ID over here, and I'll see write import SQL dot connector. Okay, sorry, it should be import, write import MySQL dot connector. So now this means it is installed, right? And now if I need to go check in my PyCharm, so I'll go here, I will write import MySQL dot connector, right? You can see it is also installed over here. Now, okay, so what like if you have any problems in PyCharm as well, what you will do, if you see like after installing MySQL connector, still you have a PyCharm, sometimes what you need to do, you need to go to here settings, right, and go to project interpreter, and this here also for PyCharm you can install packages. There's other way to install packages also, like if you see here MySQL connector, call connector Python. Okay, this one, right, or this one. So you can just install package and it will install on your system, on your for PyCharm. Okay, if you have ever find issues while uh, for PyCharm, right? So that's how we can install MySQL connector and we connect MySQL with our Python, right? Now if you want to test it, right? So now if you want to test, right? Now next how to connect, create a connection with our database. Okay, Here I'll write my connection to mysql dot connector dot connect. Okay, so I just need to correct this double signs. Okay, right. I, so for that, here I'll see how to create a connection with database, right? Okay, so I'll go my connection equal to mysql dot connected dot connect. Right here I will write host is equal to local host, right? Then I'll see user equal to anything, and my user is like root, right? And then I'll check password to soft, um, okay, okay, and then I'll print my connection. Okay, now I will run it. So if you haven't received any error, okay, so it means you are able now connect to your database. Now you can start querying the database using SQL statements.